What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? In this video I'm going to go through the best way to invest £1,000 or $1,000 and where you should put your money. If this sounds interesting, let's get straight. So the first way where you can invest £1,000 is through buying shares and mutual funds. The reason for this is that you can gain a decent percentage year by year if you actually invest in good shares or mutual funds. For those of you that don't know, mutual funds is basically a group of stocks bundled into one fund. So a fund manager would invest in different companies and then you can invest into that fund involving those companies. For example, they might invest in real estate, retailers such as Walmart and Tesco's, as well as maybe technology stocks such as Amazon, Facebook, Apple. The reason why mutual funds is good is because it diversifies the risk, because it invests in different industries. So let's say the retail industry is doing really bad, technology industry is doing really well. What this will do, this will average it out and balance it out, so you're not actually losing that much money, or you might actually make some money. The whole purpose of this is long-term investment over time, reduce the risks involved. What I like about mutual funds is that the fees are quite low. You only pay about 1 to 2% a year, and it tends to be a good steady growth. For example, some of my mutual funds, I get an average about 15 to 20% return on my investment year by year, which is obviously amazing compared to, say, if you put that £1,000 in the bank account where you only get about 1 or 2% of interest. So it is good. However, it does obviously revolve around risks. Say if it does go down or there's like a recession, so all the stocks are down, so it is risky, but the risk is minimized. You can also invest in stocks and shares such as McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Apple, etc., where you know the company's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. And what this will allow you to do is gain a shareholding of that company, which you can get dividends as well as a price increase. So it is a great option. But I do gotta say that it's buying shares and stocks is more of a long-term investment, unless you're day trading or swing trading, where you can gain substantial amount. However, there is more risk involved. What I tend to like to do is to use the 80-20 rule. So 80% will be safe stocks and safe mutual funds, and 20% will be risky, such as swing trading or buying small technology companies that could have potential to become the next Facebook, or buy things such as Bitcoin and Litecoin, etc. If you do lose that 20% of the money, you still have the 80% remaining. The second way where you can invest $1,000 or pounds is to yourself. Investing in yourself, in my opinion, the greatest way to invest £1,000. This could be buying courses or books or audiobooks, something that can gain some knowledge and skill set into you and make you more valuable than you actually are at the moment. Let me give you an example. Say if you bought a book on DIY on how to fix TVs on the wall. If you learn how to do that, you can save a lot of money, so you don't have to pay someone else to do it to your house. But you can also charge people doing it, say, to your friend's house or someone that they may know who wants a TV built, because it's not as easy as just putting it on. It does take a bit of time and effort, as well as knowing what tools to use. So that's like an example of how you can use a course or a book to actually help you to save money as well as make more money. And also, say if you wanted to buy a course or start a real business such as Amazon FBA, the one I've done, you buy a course for like $500, you learn all the knowledge that you need to know, and then you just start by taking action. And once you've done that, you actually can make your money back and earn substantial more amounts, especially Amazon FBA, where you can make 6 to 7 figures. And it would be definitely worth investing £500 into yourself to gain the knowledge and skill set and the business acumen to actually create a whole business in financial freedom, not worrying about bills and money, etc. If you have been wanting to start Amazon FBA, I have linked down a link below which is the course I've taken, which is Tanner J. Fox's Amazon Seller Mastery. And in my opinion, it is a great course. It helps you get started, and it's a step-to-step guide, like a video course on how to do everything, what you need to actually know to start this business. And this costs $497, so it is not that expensive if you consider paying for a course at university, where they will charge thousands of pounds. So it's definitely worth it, and I've already made that money back and started to make a lot more money based on that course. And if you do decide to buy the course, if you use my link down below, I'll also give my one-to-one support where I help you with any questions you may have, and also be available at all times. The third way to invest £1,000 or $1,000 is links well with number 2 is invest in a business. So whether that's retail arbitrage, where you buy stuff from Walmart or Tesco's and then sell it online on eBay or Amazon, and you can make money like that. Or you can also flip stuff, so buy an iPhone for $100 and then flip it and make $150, and you make that $50 as profit. That is also a very easy and profitable way to make a lot of money, especially if you know what actually sells well. And obviously that takes practice and experience, a lot of time into research, but it is definitely worth it. Another way you can start a business is dropshipping, where you sell something on Amazon and eBay, and then when you actually sell it, that's when you actually buy it from like Alibaba or AliExpress, and then get them to ship it directly to the customer. So you're the middleman, and in this way there's no expenses to you. It just takes more time really just to post it and set everything up. If it was to me and I had a spare £1,000 or dollars, I would invest into a course to gain more knowledge and skill set to start a business, as this can help me generate a lot more income than, say, buying stocks and shares, as you won't be gaining that much income from it. Say if you make 10% return, you only make £100, whereas if you bought a course and starting a business, so much potential. You can literally make 4 to 5 to 6 figures per month, if not per year, and it will just give you an overall better lifestyle. You can stop worrying about paying your bills and stressing, and actually enjoy life. So that's what I would recommend, is investing that $1,000 or pounds into yourself. And then once you start to get a lot more money, you can start making more smarter decisions and investments of investing in stocks and shares and diversifying your income and wealth. But yeah, that is how I would invest $1,000. If you found this interesting, then be sure to like this video and subscribe down below for more videos like this. And also drop a comment on what you feel about these 3 ways to invest $1,000, and how would you invest $1,000. That would be interesting to know.